In this video, we will learn about a new Sublime text add-on, called Package Control. It allows you to browse the catalog, all sorts of packages, and extensions for Sublime text. It is extremely easy and there is all sorts of great stuff from the different type of code coloring, code snippets, theme and much more. To start using this great tool, the first step is to install it. The simplest method of installation is through the Sublime text console. All you need is to copy this code, paste it in the Sublime text console. Once you have copied the code, go to the Sublime text and then click on View, Show Console. Paste the code in console and hit Enter. Make sure you copy the code according to the version of the Sublime text you are using, Sublime Text 2 or Sublime Text 3. This code creates the installed packages folder for you and then downloads the package control into it. The download will be done over HTTP instead of HTTPS due to Python standard library limitations. However, the file will be validated using SHA-256. If for some reason the console installation instructions do not work for you, then you can follow steps to install package control manually. Once the package control is successfully installed, it is ready to use. To open package control, go to Menu, Preferences, Package Control, Install Package. At the bottom left corner, you will see the status of loading repository. You will see the list of packages. To install the package, all you need is to select the package you want to install and hit Enter. As you can see, this list goes on. And scrolling through this long list might be time-consuming. Finding the package you want to install is not a very productive way. So, instead of scrolling through the long list, it's easy to search the name of the package you want to install.